We might suggest things that you might think aren't necessary. Some things do help the system, you know, surge protectors and different things. Those do help on if you work in an area where you get a lot of power surges, because that surge protector is a lot cheaper than the bore inside the unit that could burn out. So there's little things that I get people are hesitant about when guys come to their house and you're throwing all these different things at them. Like, do I need that? No, you don't need everything that they suggest, but you know, there is certain things that they suggest that you should do because they'll lower the efficiency. Your system could cut out on that 110-degree day. That's what they're there for. They're there to keep you cool throughout the summer and warm throughout the winter.